What did you want to be when you were young?
When I was young, I'm pretty sure I wanted to be a fire truck. And I think cowboy was high up on my list. I'm pretty sure younger me would be bummed I didn't turn out to be a fire truck, but stoked that I did become a cowboy.
What is your proudest accomplishment on the ranch?
So there's this one section on the ranch where succession has been advancing really smoothly, and there's so much diversity and the soil is really healthy. So what I like to do is whenever I do tours, I take people there so they can smell the soil. And it's so cool to see their reaction because smelling healthy soil has a physiological impact on your brain that literally makes you happier. It's awesome.
What motto do you live by?
If you're doing it rough, you're doing it wrong. Gotta be gentle.
What do you wish people knew about farming?
I wish they knew the impact that their dollar has. We grow what they want. So if they ask for something that's regenerative and organic, that's what will grow. So it's wild to see just the power the dollar has and you have on your community and the market.
What would you say to your younger self now?
I'd say you'd better be okay with getting cow shit on your shoes a surprising amount a week.